This one is very, very close to my heart. Why? Because subject lines, I find it very annoying when people don't actually give me specific. Okay? So for me, it's clear. You describe what you want to tell me. Descriptive means, right, whatever is the content, you must also have it in the subject line. Okay? And information is very important. Okay? So I'll give you some examples. Okay? This one, I don't encourage you to have these kinds of emails. You know, like subject line like hi or questions or just meeting, and then this one very mysterious, oh, one more thing, and then some thoughts. Okay? Unless it's part of a thread, but then it shouldn't be part of the thread because you get the subject line from the beginning. So what would be more helpful? More helpful would be something like this. Okay? Presentation meeting rescheduled to 3 p.m. Okay. All right. Then this one says, help, I can't find the draft for the KFC project. Okay, so asking for help. And then this one, reminder. Yeah? Presentation rehearsal tomorrow, September 26th. All right. And then here, questions about the KFC project. Then I know that you're asking for more information. And then this one is nice. Congratulations to Jennifer for winning the Best Sales Representative Award. So if you have something like this, right, probably say like we're going to have a party. But if you're going to have a party, this one doesn't reflect it. Just say congratulations. So is there any action on your part? Probably not. Okay? But you say congratulations to Jennifer and etc. And we're planning a party. Then you know, yeah, maybe you need to talk to us about the party. Okay?